Vintage Christmas decorations are trending this year, and we have 20 of the best vintage and retro Christmas decorations lined up for you. Watch the video till the end. Links are in the description. We start with a Santa mug. It's a ceramic mug with a smiling and kind Santa which is hand-painted. An excellent decoration for your home. It's priced at $19, and it's 5.5 inches in length and 3.74 inches in height. Next up, we have a vintage rustic wooden sleigh. A Santa sleigh that looks really wonderful, retro and vintage. It's for $28. It's made from wood and metal, and you get 2 of them for $28. Our next Christmas decoration is something quite interesting. It's an antique look Snow Tunes radio. It comes with 3 pre-programmed Christmas stations, the Elf News Network, Santa Radio Network, and a music station. It is battery operated, and it looks absolutely amazingly vintage and charming. Our next decoration idea is just for $9, and it's a traditional vintage banner of Christmas imagery which works great anywhere in the house, especially in the fireplace mantle, and will add a true vintage flavor to your Christmas decorations. Next is a hand-painted nativity set, Mother Mary, Baby Jesus, and Joseph. The tallest figure is 6.25 inches. It's hand-painted and made from high-quality resin and stoneware, which is durable and long-lasting. Up next is such a simple vintage Christmas decoration. Paper chains made with craft paper. For just $6 you get 300 pieces of these paper chains, and they'll add cheer and a real retro feel instantly. Now we come to Christmas lights. These are classic Christmas bulbs which are the original shape for Christmas decorations, and for $26 you get a 32 feet long string of 50 LED lights. Another really cute and vintage design. This resin reindeer set of 3 is for $19. They have really nice detailing, are charming, and bring good cheer into any place. Next is a very simple but sweet tabletop angel blow mold. It's a light-up Christmas tabletop angel. It's 11 inches tall, and it's for just $9.98. Next we have Christmas pillow covers, a set of 4 which are 18 inches by 18 inches. They have wonderful imagery that are vintage and retro, like a Santa, a snowman, and a deer with birds. These pillowcases are made from environmentally friendly polyester linen fabric, which is soft to the touch. Up next are some more lights. These are the Christmas bubble string lights. There are 9 traditional multicolored bubble lights, ideal for holiday decorations, and adding a gentle vintage flavor to any home for just $22. We have one more blow mold, which is 11 inches in height. This is a lighted Santa Claus in complete vintage style for $29. And now we have a Christmas tree decoration, a gold starburst for $20. It is made of metal and plastic. It's for the top of your Christmas tree and has a coil at the bottom that attaches to the top of the tree. It really adds an old world Christmas charm to any home. Next up is bottle brush trees, 30 pieces of them. These mini Christmas bottle brush trees are charming and vintage and are for just $18. Candles were always a wonderful vintage touch, but these candles are lit by electricity with flickering bulbs that make it look like a real flame. Again, very vintage in its look and priced at $23. Our next retro decoration for Christmas is a 10-inch ceramic Christmas tree, which has 54 multicolored lights on it and a 7-point star topper. With a rainbow light effect, it gives a real feel of the winter holidays and of Christmas has gone by. Next up is a retro lantern, which is also a snow globe with a Christmas tree inside it. Delightfully beautiful and really vintage. It costs $29 on Amazon. That was a snow globe lantern, but this is a real wooden lantern in which you can put a real candle or anything else and hang it to give a truly retro feel to your Christmas decorations. It is for just around $30 on Amazon. If you want to add something really old-fashioned to your decorations, then these 24 vintage Christmas postcards will be ideal. These are designs that appeared between 1900 and 1930 and will add a warm memory-filled feel to your Christmas decorations. And finally, we have simple antique glass Christmas decorations. For $20 you get 25 vintage Christmas ornaments that are truly charming and timeless. And that brings us to the end of this video of the 20 best vintage and retro Christmas decorations, all under $30 each, which will make your Christmas delightfully charming and reminiscent of an age gone by. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more such videos, and do share your tips, thoughts, and insights in the comments section below.